We're going to show you a website today called First in Math. It's a site that we have access to free currently, and it's optional for you to try, but I think it's a good tool for you to use to help with math and give the students extra math practice. So we're going to give you a quick overview of the features that First in Math has. When you come to the home screen, this is the screen students will see. The first thing you have is skill sets. If you click skill sets, you can click 1 through 8, and so you can see the skills are game 1 is adding, game 2 is subtracting, game 3 is add or subtract.
And each skill set is equivalent to a grade level. So skill set 1 would be for grade level 1.
So if we click game 1, this is a preview mode. So and what preview mode means, the students have access to preview mode too. If they don't want to do a timed game, they can do preview just to see, just to practice the game without the stress of being timed. So this might look similar to a 24 game, and these skill set games build up to the 24 model. So I hit start, and so I have to find so I hit my 0 plus 3, and that equaled 3. Now I have to find the one that equals 7, 6, plus 1.
You can also
I do another one. Another option, instead of clicking, I can slide. So I can just grab this and slide, and then I hit the plus button to fill in, and it fills it in. Again, I can slide this one, hit the plus, and that equals 9. Now, a power jump means that I got the correct answer, two correct answers within the skill set within 60 seconds. So it allows me to do a power jump, which basically bumps up to a higher level of problem. So in this case, I'm going to click no. But you can also see that I got these red stickers at the bottom for doing different things. And the stickers can be used later on for different rewards and things like that.
The power jump feature is very helpful for students that are in an upper grade. They can start with skill set 1, but the power jump allows them to move through the skill sets faster to get to the skill set for their grade level.
Okay. We also wanted to show you just a few examples of the tools for just the facts. Nice thing about just the facts 100 is for it goes facts through 10. And we could do multiplication, and again, this is only through 10. And it's the same that I showed you before. So when we hit the start button at the bottom of the screen, I have to fill in the answer. And so on, and through as the time goes, so this is just a quick fact practice. And then at the end of the fact practice, as a teacher, when you log into your class, you'll actually be able to see the progress of the kids and how they did on the different facts. So we thought this was a really nice way for you to see fact progress, and you can print these things, this fact progress out as well. So you have a hard copy record of the facts. For older students who want more challenging work within that, they can do just the facts and choose some different ones, just the facts with fractions, decimals. If they choose integers, it will go up to 12 instead of just through 10. Another tool that can be used is practice gyms. And practice gyms are just different games that can be played with different skill sets. So if I click whole numbers and I want to do division, I can start with 1. So it's the whole number division game. When I hit start, I have to do the same thing, clicking on the one that equals the number at the top. So, and you can see the strength meter at the bottom. So again, it's just practice. And these are all division by 1, so the kids you can easily see how the kids are doing in your assessment piece if the kids are mastering a specific skill.
If you get one correct, it starts the whole game over.
And I got a star, which just gives me more stickers that can be used later on. The stickers can be used for different rewards. You can actually print out quite a few certificates of different things that say that students unlocked different achievements and did different things. There are bonus games, which can be played at different levels as well. And many of the games are similar in nature. So it's the first to 20 is an example of a game. So the first to so we're going to do practice 1, and then so 3 plus what equals 11? That's 8. Okay. Another thing you can do with these bars is I thought you could drag them, maybe. So you could click the bar itself, and so on, and it just gives you a game format to practice. So as you can see, it fills the bar up with the rest, so it kind of has a fraction feel to it as well. There's a measurement world, which I thought this was really nice. You could do area and perimeter in this. Do the area and perimeter of a square. We'll do customary system, but you could do metric as well, or a mix. So I want a perimeter of 20 feet. So I drag this out until I have a perimeter of 20 feet. Then I hit submit. That'd be an area of 20 feet. A 5x5 area, 25 feet. I submit. And then you can see, and the kids can practice different area and perimeter type games. And there are multiple measurement style games that the kids can click within measurement. It doesn't just have to be measurement. There's some money applications in there as well. The know and show tool gives word problems, and the kids can then work through what they know. And let's say that a student goes through and they get it right. It says excellent. I'm just trying to make a guess here. So it gives me a hint at the bottom of the screen. It gives the students a hint so they can try again. So it's a good way to practice. If the students didn't understand something, it gives them a hint so they can continue working and try to solve the problem. The next thing I want to show you is the K-2 section. If you click the K-2 section, this is for kindergarten through 2nd grade, and it just has different activities that you can do that are more to your grade level, more specific to your grade level. It has a just the facts section for K-2. And you can still go through and do your addition. It gives you the problem just like before, and then you continue on and again, you'll be able to see all of the students' responses and see what they had trouble with and what they excelled at. In the K-2 world, there are also shapes and logic, and students can go through and do different puzzles and things of that nature. And there are lots of different puzzles and things the kids can do. It's just a matter of you going through and exploring and seeing what the kids can do throughout. But I think this is a good tool for you to use in your classroom, and students can also access this at home and earn stickers at home, which again will unlock reward certificates for them later. And there are some things you'll be able to see that we'll show you on a future video or perhaps at a faculty meeting, where the students can kind of compete a little bit, and they can see if they've earned the most stickers for the class or the school and things like that.